In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Calendly API key. And don't worry, it's super easy. Let's dive right in by opening your web browser. Once your browser is ready, navigate over to Calendly's website and log in with your credentials. After you've logged in, you'll notice a sidebar on the left side of the screen. From here, you want to click on Integrations and Apps. It's a straightforward section designed to connect your Calendly with other tools and services. Once you're in the integrations page, you'll see a search bar. Go ahead and type API in that search bar. What you're looking for is an option that says API and webhooks. Once you spot it, click on it. This section houses various options that connect Calendly to other applications via programming interfaces. Now this brings us to two options here, personal access tokens and OAuth. Since we're interested in the API key, focus on the personal access tokens option. This is where you will create a token that acts as your API key, allowing secure connections to Calendly's data and functionalities. The next step is to personalize your token. You'll need to give it a name. This could be anything descriptive that you'll remember, like sample API. Once you've settled on a name, click on Create Token. At this point, Calendly will take an extra step to ensure everything is secure. Calendly will send a verification code to your registered email address. It's a quick process but very important for security. Head over to your email inbox, find the email from Calendly, and copy the verification code. Then return to the verification field back on the Calendly page, paste the code, and confirm it. Just like that, your API key will show up. You're almost finished. Simply copy that token and save it somewhere safe. This could be a secure digital note or a password manager. Remember that you'll need this token whenever you integrate Calendly with other applications. It's essentially your unique key to connect Calendly with various apps, so keeping it secure is essential. And there you have it, a quick, easy, and efficient way to access your Calendly API key. If this tutorial helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.